Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can enable screen recording sound in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the notification area and here long press on record screen icon. Just long press here and it will open up this window. Here select record sound. By default it is selected to none, so no sound be recording if you do screen recording using this option. So you have to change the option now. If you change it to first option system audio, only internal sound be recorded. For example, if you would like to record game sound, you can use system audio only, so external sound will not be disturbed to your game recording. Only internal sound will be recorded. If you would like to do voice over, then you can use microphone audio. This will be best for recording voice over. If you would like to get both system audio, that is internal sound, and microphone sound, that is external audio, if you'd like to get internal sound as well as external sound, then you have to choose third option. Here for demo purpose, I select microphone audio external sound, and I will show how it can be recorded. Now I will show it as a demo. Click on start screen recording here, and screen recording started. So whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded. Now I check the sound. Hello, screen recording, sound enable. Thank you. Now I stop the screen recording and I play this file. And the screen recording started. So whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded. Now I check the sound. Hello, screen recording, sound enable. Thank you. Now so in this way you can easily enable screen recording sound in your phone Vivo V21e. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.